Welcome to my new intro.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make.
So what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you are new to my channel, you know the number one rules. What you're supposed to do, you're supposed to subscribe to the channel, done. So guys, guess what I will be doing today? I will be impersonating other YouTubers. Guys, me can't talk like them, you know, but me I gotta impersonate them to see how much me take on to them. You understand? I'm want to comment down below. You see at the end of the video, I'm gonna call out all of the YouTubers, name them. But I want to see how much you pay attention. You understand? I want to see how much you guys pay attention. You see me? You understand? Yeah. So first YouTuber me I go to is the YouTuber here. Me not telling you if it's a male or if it's a female. What Curry good. You good? Good. Wagwan Curry good. Yes, Curry good. Wagwan.
Get some help.
Me know my daya. Wagwan, mama, you good? Yeah, man, good. Me good. You know some good. Pretty Curry. Oh my God. Good. Yes, people. You want to come and tell me who is that? So the next one is going to be boy. I can't join nobody membership, you know. But I can come and give me like a 1-1 super chat. Because you know what? You see, sometimes the account kind of go on somewhere. The account kind of go in an overdraw and them something there. So I can't really join the membership. I will come and come give a little super chat and sitting. I'm a god.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
I got what business. You understand? But me just support, man. Sometimes I look the account empty. Me say the account empty. Sorry. When I look sometimes the account empty. Yeah. Right the stuff. So next. We are going to the next one there. What Curry baby? Curry baby. Sexy body Curry. Wagwan. You good? I'm like, yes, I am good. You don't tell me who that. I'm not telling you it's a male or a female, no people. But make sure to follow the comment section. When the people have name, or from the thing, couldn't know who. Because I'm very observant, guys. I'm very observant. This next person. Ashley! Yes, daddy? Ashley, make some tea for me there, Ashley. Alright, daddy, me I come. Ashley, you hear me? But the little girl in my collar. Ashley, put milk in there, yeah? I don't want no coffee. Give me the Lipton. The Lipton I want. Alright, daddy. Daddy, see the tea here. Boy, little girl, I mean, sir. Like I stay far and dashy. You mean it? Oh, you mean so? Right. Ashley! Hold on there. Sound like me ear, Ashley. Ashley, you got that bathroom and pee-pee? Ashley, a pee-pee? It sound like Ashley wake up. Hold on the live. Hold on the people. Ashley, you burn the CD them yet? Ashley burn the CD, them burn over some fresh movie because the first one them dead stick. So burn some fresh. Daddy, me I gotta do it now, Daddy. Daddy, me I gotta do it now. Ashley, don't bend down the camera. Remember, see you have on skirt. Remember you have on skirt, Ashley? So don't bend down the camera. Okay, Daddy. Guys wanted to tell me I wish YouTube were that. Bang, 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 bang. So anyway, people. Yes. Corey, the person I was in the comment section. For them comment always be a 2-man me want to do threesome with me on time. People tell me I wish YouTube were that. I want a threesome, but I want it with 2 man. 2 man. Next up, we have this next YouTuber. YouTuber say, "Oh me nice bad. None on a paya. None on a paya. Not nice like me. No watch the big belly. None on a paya not nice like me. You're crazy. Look pa me good. Just look pa me. Just look pa this black girl. Oh, me look good. None on a paya not nice like me. Look pa me. I just true because of my big belly. I wait till me do my surgery. Yeah, me do my breast them. I get my breast them done. Look pa me good. None of about ya. None of no look like me. So guys, I want y'all to comment and tell me which YouTuber is that, guys. Sometimes you guys are hilarious. You guys are hilarious. Like I'm actually taking sometimes I'm actually laugh to myself and say you guys are funny, you know? You see me? The next YouTuber we have, all him do a come in a rated comment section and send LOL and DWL and laughing emoji. I want to know if him keyboard set pan gig. I wish YouTuber that people, but me see how much you observe on a YouTube family. You understand? I know we live bad sometimes, you know, but yeah, I still love you. Mama see how much you observe. The one where him something stick, you're a mess. You are a mess. Yeah, you are a mess. Him something stick pan laugh out loud and dead with laugh. You are a mess. Yeah, you are a mess. Professional milkman. Corey, look at Corey. Corey, look at Corey. Corey, watch ya. Corey, so me I go drink it like a milk, you know. Guys, can you tell me who is that? People, me love YouTube, you know. Me love YouTube. The next person here, me I go impersonate is Corey, you don't know someone who got a party. I be chilling. A case is a liquor. Case is a liquor. Yeah. Case is a liquor pan table. Case a liquor. You know say so we do it. Case a liquor. Yeah. And the party there, it always shot. The party the nice, but I don't really go a certain kind of party no more. I like what the smoker want them now. Yeah, but you know when you go a party, a case is a liquor. Case is my crew, a case a liquor we buy liquor by. Guys, remember this is Vlogmas Day 21, guys. This is Vlogmas Day 21. Yes. And then the next one is who gets me a come? Who next me a come with? Who next I am coming with? What is that you're talking about? What is a combo? What is a combo? What is that you're talking about? For real? Then people do that? Yes, you don't know what name combo. Combo are something where the woman them like them sell them front and something. For real? I never know they do that.
Yeah, boy, yeah, man.
You two now kill me. Yes, people. Whoa. I gotta get myself together. What we need, everybody. So guys, these are just few YouTubers. Don't worry. One day I'm going to come with an actual skit with the whole thing. You understand? But last time I decided that I want to do this. So that's the reason why I'm doing it. But anyway, people, let's cut to the chase. I'm going to call the names them who me call out just a while ago. I impersonate all things Anna. She always talk about how she beautiful. No girl pie and a beautiful like she. Shane and the Family TV. I'm always at DWL. And dead with laugh. I laugh out loud. Me always say DWL, but I don't know say that. You understand? That a Shane and the Family. Teflon. What do you ever say? Ashley! Everybody knows that a Teflon. Yes, Teflon and TV. And then Bullseye, Curry baby, sexy Curry. You don't want to say Bullseye that day. And then KEISHA Cole. I leave out KEISHA. Not because she's not a YouTuber. We not leave her out. KEISHA Cole always says she wants 2 man. One time for the 3 someone we are going to sell. Then you know Curry good. You don't know said love doctor that. Love ice. The love doctor. And the person who say the money. The account kind of stay away sometimes, so then just super chat, they don't really join membership. Jam Fed France. I hope my name is so nobody, you know. And the person who does say, when we go party as a curry, a back salika, Cubans Universe. On them have a channel now, guys, so you can check him out too. You hear me say, what is that? What is combo? I'm talking about Jewel in the kitchen. Big up on yourself, people. You understand? Did I miss anyone? I hope I did not miss anyone. You understand? But if I miss it, we'll drop it in the comment section, people. Since to one and all, thank you guys for making it live with Curry Gooders. You don't know it's all about the love and all about the support. Bye, guys. I am out.